Have you ever wondered if your cat truly loves you, or if they're just tolerating your presence? It's a question that has crossed the mind of every cat owner at some point. Cats are known for being independent and mysterious, and sometimes it feels like figuring out their true feelings is nearly impossible. That's why, in this video, we're going to uncover the 7 signs that indicate your cat doesn't love you as much as you think. So, without further ado, let's get started. Sign 1. Constant hiding. If your cat appears to be hiding more frequently than normal, or if they disappear for hours on end, it could be an indication that something is wrong. Frequent hiding may be a way for them to communicate concerns. If they spend a lot of time hiding, it could be a sign that they don't feel comfortable around you, or that something else in their environment is making them uncomfortable. Cats also tend to hide when they are sick or in discomfort. They have a strong survival instinct. In the wild, a sick cat could be an easy target, so they prefer hiding to protect themselves from the predators. This innate tendency was passed on to our domesticated felines from their wild ancestors. Cats have a defensive mechanism that causes them to mask their suffering when they are unhappy. It's part of their natural strategy to hide vulnerability and avoid becoming an easy target. So, how can you know if your cat is hiding because they aren't feeling well? It's all about paying attention to changes in their behavior. If your ordinarily social cat is suddenly spending a lot of time hiding, this could be a reason for concern. If they also exhibit additional symptoms of disease, such as lack of appetite, changes in litter box habits, or a decrease in grooming, it's time to contact the veterinarian. Sign 2. Excessive scratching. Cats scratch objects due to a variety of reasons. It's not just because they want to trash your furniture out of malicious intent, even if it sometimes feels that way. Scratching is an effective way for cats to mark their territory or to mark their own space. Their paws have special scent glands, and by doing the scratching, they leave their scent markers on that object, claiming it as their own or a part of their kingdom. Other than leaving scent markers, scratching helps them in various ways. Scratching allows them to shed the outer layers of their claws, keeping them sharp and ready for use. But what happens if your cat scratches excessively? Excessive scratching occurs when your cat's typical scratching routine is turned up a few degrees. You might witness them go at it many times a day, leaving a trail of damage behind them. They may also begin to seek new areas in which they have never previously expressed interest. This behavior can be utilized to alleviate anxiety or stress. Imagine you've had a tough day, and you find yourself pacing around. Similarly, when cats are stressed, they may scratch more than usual as a coping method for stress or anxiety. Changes in their environment, such as a new pet, a new family member, relocating to a new home, or just rearranging the furniture, might cause your cat significant distress. It may also be a response to feeling threatened about their territory. Remember that cats are known as creatures of habit, so any change in their routine or environment can throw them off. Excessive scratching can sometimes indicate a health problem. Certain skin diseases or allergies may cause discomfort, prompting your cat to scratch more frequently. If you observe any other symptoms such as hair loss, redness, or swelling, it's time to see a veterinarian. Fortunately, there are techniques to prevent such damaging behavior. One solution is to install scratching posts. You can also try the deter sprays, especially made for cats, to keep them from scratching where you don't want them to. And never criticize your cat for scratching. It is a natural behavior for cats. Instead, try to figure out what's causing the stress and address it properly. Sign 3. Tail twitching. If you've spent time with cats, you've probably noticed that they communicate a lot with their tails. A cat's tail is like a communication antenna in the cat world. A tail lifted high denotes a joyful cat, whereas a tail tucked away could indicate fear or anxiety. However, it is not only about the position of the tail. Movement of the tail is also important, and this is where tail twitching comes in. As opposed to a happy dog's wagging tail, a twitching tail in a cat is considered to be a negative sign. It's like the cat version of tapping your foot impatiently. If your cat's tail twitches when they are near you, it could indicate that they start to get annoyed. In the wild, cats communicate with other animals using their tails. For example, a cat's tail may shake to indicate restlessness or excitement to possible predators or rivals. This could be seen as a warning to maintain a safe distance or to prepare for potentially hostile action. In the home, cats continue to communicate their emotions through their tails. If a cat's tail twitches when it is awake and engaged with its surroundings, it usually indicates an aroused condition. The cat can be irritated or scared. When a cat is hunting or playing, which is a sort of false hunting, the twitching tail indicates great focus and inner enthusiasm. So here's a fast life hack for you. The next time you notice your cat's tail twitching, take a moment to evaluate the situation. Are they being disturbed during their naps? Or are you trying to pet them when they prefer to be left alone? However, it is crucial to keep in mind that not all tail movements indicate unpleasant feelings. Slow and delicate waving or swishing may indicate that the cat is content and happy. Sign 4. Litter box issues. Every cat owner understands that cats are generally clean animals. They use their litter boxes and practice good hygiene on instinct. Did you know that your cat's litter box behavior can reveal a lot about their mental state? When your cat begins to avoid their litter box or has accidents in the house, it may be more than just a behavioral issue. It could indicate that your cat is stressed or unhappy. Perhaps there has been a change in the house that they are uncomfortable with, or they are not feeling well. A study published in the Journal of Feline Behavior and Instincts discovered that there is a strong link between litter box problems and feline stress. The researchers discovered that stressed cats were more likely to exhibit difficulties such as improper peeing, which is a typical litter box issue. Before we continue, are you enjoying this video? If so, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more cat videos. The aim of this video isn't to make you feel bad about your cat, but to help you recognize key signs and improve your bond with your feline friend. Now let's move to the next point. Sign 5. Ignoring affection. We all know that cats are not similar to dogs. They have their own distinct method of expressing love and affection. However, if your feline buddy continuously ignores your attempts to display affection, it could indicate that they aren't feeling the love. So why is this happening? This could be for several reasons. Perhaps your cat is sick or there has been a change in their surroundings that is causing them discomfort. It's possible they're simply not in the mood for cuddles. If your cat is unresponsive, give them some room. Cats are known as independent creatures who value their alone time, so rather than enforcing affection, let them come to you when they are ready. Sign 6. Avoiding eye contact. In the world of cats, the eyes speak everything. When your cat stares at you in the eyes and makes eye contact, it is their unique way of expressing trust and affection. But what if your cat avoids eye contact with you? If they purposefully turn away or leave the room when you try to make a connection with them, it could indicate that they are feeling distrustful. A cat will gaze at you in a special way to convey affection known as the slow blinking or cat kiss. It's when they gaze at you and slowly close their eyes, as if they're enjoying a lovely dream. According to studies, this is their method of giving a kiss or hug. So, if your feline companion avoids staring you in the eyes or does not respond to your slow blinks, it could be an indication that they aren't experiencing the love as much as you would like. Sign 7. Over-grooming. If you see your cat grooming excessively to the point of losing fur or creating skin discomfort, this is a bad indicator. Over-grooming is typically a symptom that your cat is anxious or uncomfortable. They could be anxious about a change in their environment, or they could be attempting to alleviate physical discomfort. Now, let us discuss solutions. If you suspect excessive grooming, search for physical factors. Check for fleas, allergies, and skin problems. If there is no physical explanation, you can consider stress or worry as a factor. Has anything lately changed in their environment? A new pet? A relocation? Even changing their litter can be upsetting for some cats. Some cats are very choosy about their litter. If you notice a possible stressful event, try to address it. If the over-grooming continues, it may be the right time for a vet visit. That's it for this video. To learn more about cats, check out our video on 14 signs that your cat is feeling sad. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights.